Pampers fam, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Get ready for me to go to Sally Beauty. Today is all about me. I need some R&R, some good old rest and relaxation. I got an Airbnb, I got some tea, and it's all about me. Ooh, bars. I have partnered with Sally Beauty, and I am going to show y'all these amazing products. One thing about Sally Beauty, baby, their products are top tier. Do you hear? Okay. I know I need a reset because I'm a single mama of 3. Y'all already know. I tell y'all everything about me. I'm thinking some R&B while I'm in the tub, bath salts and candles and wine, and we're gonna have a good old time, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I do, and I want y'all to do it too. This week has been insane, so let's go to the Airbnb and unwind. I absolutely love baths, and this herbal bath salt from Plant 3 did not disappoint. The bath salts are infused with lavender and had this amazing hint of vanilla and white birch. Y'all have to smell this. It literally turned my bathroom into a spa and got me all the way relaxed. Not only is it sulfate and paraben free, cruelty and vegan free, and for the right price, y'all know I love to save coins, even for my self-care days. I think we all need a relax and reset day. This is definitely a good start to mine. I can't wait to get into these other products because I'm ready to sip some wine. Let's get into this body oil because I'm excited about it. I'm so glad I added this balancing body oil to my routine. It was my first time trying it, and it left my skin rejuvenated, but the eucalyptus scent blended with mint was a perfect way to set the tone for my rest day. I'm so glad I got the accompanying pillow mist. It's nothing better than relaxing with a good movie, a bottle of wine, and the pillow mist. I ended up falling asleep on the couch after I sprayed it, y'all. It was so relaxing. This is definitely about to be one of my go-tos for my self-care days. Back to school is seriously one of the busiest times of the year for me, aside from the holidays, so I needed this. I've been so blessed this year and I've had so many opportunities. Business is booming. It can be hard to balance self-care, being a single mom and having a growing business. I try to take time out for myself and have a self-care day at least once a month. Try to plan trips, no matter how short, at least once a quarter to make sure I'm the best me. Not just for myself, but for my babies too. Honestly, this is why I decided to partner with Sally Beauty. Regardless of what city I'm in, I know I can find me a Sally Beauty, run in, grab what I need without long checkout lines. Oh yeah, and guess what else? I got something special for y'all. Click the link in my bio for 15% off your next Sally Beauty visit.